In the video clip, you can see that the application process can be carried out in one cycle of application instead of two as in the conventional process. The process for body filler is carried out in two phases without sanding in between. The first application is thin, and this serves only for adhesion and not for filling. Then the robot dries the surface, reaching 80 degrees Celsius or 176 degrees Fahrenheit. The second application is carried out on a hot surface with a multiple layer, leaving 8 to 10 seconds in between until the right thickness is achieved. In this way there are no air bubbles inside, thus avoiding pinholes during the primer phase. The robot passes again for final drying. The technician sands the body filler for first and final time. In the two drawings, you can see the difference in phases and in time between SPAP and the conventional process. Two-panel job takes 28 minutes compared to 1 hour 24 minutes.